Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today it's 24th of May, Sunday, and I want to do this unboxing with you from a case from Johnny Lightning. And this is Classic Gold from 2018, Release 3, and the case code is underneath. So let's have a look inside. I have this case for a while now, not very long, but I think a year now. So let's have a look inside. There's the first one, and that's a very nice one. It's a AMC Javelin SST from 1968, and it's in the color classic black, and it's one of 2,500 pieces. American Motors, and there you have the label of Classic Gold. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There you have the code, some more info. Those two releases, I have both of them. And there you have the cars in this set. There are around 2 releases, and the Playing Mantis. Well, let's have a look at the car. It's metal base and rubber tires. Nice trim around the window. There's the front. And the back of the car. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. And there you have a Buick GS400 from 1967. Also 2,500 pieces of this one. And the color is shadow turquoise poly. You have some facts you can read if you like. And let's have a look at the front of the car. Opening hood. And there's the back of the car. Nice tail lights. And let's have a look at the base. Metal base, rubber tires. And there's the packaging. Next one. And that's a nice one. Nice station wagon. And this is a Chevy Chevelle 2-door wagon from 1965. And the color is goldwood yellow. There are some facts. Like this one. Nice front. Nice wheels. Let's have a look at the back of the car. And the top. Base. Yes, this one is looking good. Next one. And there is a White Lightning. This one's supposed to be blue. Martinique blue poly. But as you can see, this is a White Lightning with gold rims, white tires, golden interior, nice bird on the hood. And this is a very nice one. There's the back of the car. And the front. So let's have a look at the base. Just a plain metal base, not a white base. This is a nice car, like this one. Let's have a look at the packaging. So also 2,500. So if it's 2%, there will be 50 pieces of this one. So that's not too many. It's quite rare. Okay, next one. That's a Corvette. And it's from 1963. And the color is Daytona blue poly, so metallic. It's also a very nice version. So very dark blue. Let's have a look at the base. There is the base. All these from the Classic Gold collection have rubber tires. And the split window at the back. And there's the packaging. And the next one, the last one. And it's Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Convertible from 1972. And the color is saddle bronze poly. All of them are 2,500 pieces, so that's not too many. Nice front. Also nice rims. Let's have a look at the back. Let's have a look at the packaging. 442. So that was my review of this case from Classic Gold Collection. Thank you for watching and see you at my next video. Bye!